Unlocking the potential of your ADT alarm system.
Hello there, and welcome to our video. Today we're going to address a common question many users have. Is it possible to use an ADT alarm system without monitoring services? If you're curious about how to make the most of your ADT system without an active subscription, this video is perfect for you.
What is an ADT monitoring service?
The ADT monitoring service is a subscription-based service provided by ADT. Subscribers can enjoy round-the-clock monitoring by professional security staff who can respond quickly to any alerts or emergencies. They'll call emergency services on your behalf and ensure your property is safe.
Can you use an ADT system without the monitoring service?
Yes, it's technically possible to use an ADT alarm system without the monitoring service. Although the system is primarily designed to work with the monitoring service, the alarm system itself will still function without it. This means if a sensor detects a breach, the alarm will sound, alerting you and potentially scaring off any intruders.
What are the limitations?
However, please be aware that there are some important limitations when using an ADT system without monitoring. Firstly, without monitoring services, the system won't be able to notify emergency services on your behalf. If an alarm is triggered, it's entirely up to you to contact the appropriate services. Secondly, without a subscription, you may not be able to access certain features such as remote access via ADT's mobile app. This depends on your specific system and its terms of use.
Are there alternatives?
If you're considering using an ADT system without monitoring, you might want to look into other alternatives. Self-monitoring systems or local alarm systems could be more suitable and cost-effective options for your needs. They often allow for mobile access and control, even without a paid subscription. In conclusion, yes, you can use an ADT alarm system without the monitoring service, but it does come with some limitations. Remember to evaluate your specific needs, consider other alternatives, and make a decision that's best for your safety and peace of mind. We hope this video has provided some clarity on the subject. Stay safe out there.